everybody. Today we are hiking in New Jersey. We are at the Stokes State Forest and I'm doing the Blue Trail, and if you look behind me you can see that we start off along a nice stream. So the trail just brought me right back this way across the little stream, and we got some beaver activity right there, and then right over here there's like a 3-stage beaver dam. It's pretty cool. I heard a little noise back over there, like over in that direction when I was coming through, and I'm guessing it was a beaver. You can see that little tree right over there. That guy has been getting chewed on. The wind just started picking up a little bit, but these old boundary walls, I've been seeing them a lot in probably the last mile or so of my hike, and it has me thinking about Gilbert Rod a lot. He's been doing a lot of cool exploring up in the New England area of the United States, and he's been seeing a lot of old properties with these marking walls or property line walls. I'm not sure what the actual name for them is. This one has been taken back quite a bit by nature. This is the least prominent one that I've seen so far. But yeah, awesome stuff. This area has switched up. I just got done walking through a really nice like pine forest area. If you don't know who Gilbert Rod is and you know who I am, you should definitely go over and check out his channel. Really like the stuff he shares with everybody. Went from pine forest up high, down by some ponds. Now we're down by a nice stream. This is a good sized stream too. I have some crows carrying on over in the distance. I don't know if you guys can hear that every once in a while. I decided to get off the Blue Trail a little earlier. I left that trail and I'm now on the Stony Brook Trail, I believe. Somewhere along here there's supposed to be the site of an old sawmill. I don't think I've walked by it. I haven't gone too far up this trail. Started climbing. I'm up a little higher. Looks like I have a little bit more to go up the ridge. But I am so glad that I decided to take this turn, because I have a really nice break spot next to this little waterfall down here. But this trail is now designated by brown blazes. I will link back up with the other trail. My loop started and ends with that Blue Trail, so this is just a just like a little junction trail. My other option, if I wanted to shorten this, would have been the Orange Trail, and then to do the full 11.5 mile loop, you would take the blue up to the yellow blazed trail and then come back down. But the Blue Trail itself is a full, like the full loop of that is 17 miles, which I might have to come back and do that. I'm definitely going to come back here. I've really enjoyed myself today, and good amount of diversity here. I like the fact that I've hiked a lot along the water today. That, for me, that's always an added bonus. But I'm gonna put this away, gonna have my snack, enjoy the scenery, and then continue on. So I failed to show the last one, but this would be the second little picnic area that I've come across on the trail. Now this one is much more established, much nicer. The last one I came across was kind of out of field. Got bathrooms. But yeah, the last one I was at a field and had some picnic tables and some grilling, like some grills, kind of like those. But this is pretty cool. This is a really nice little area. I like these chimney things. This is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen this in a state park before. Yeah, very cool. Which is, of course, bringing us to another road. And let's see, blazes that way. Little picnic area for kids. So it was like 2.8 miles. We are right there. We are gonna keep going, and then we're gonna take the blue one down and around. Now, I did not see the silver mine. That was like a little side shoot trail, the orange one. But yeah, very cool. Now, to find my blazes. I am going to put this away and take a look at some trees and see if I can pick it up. Looking at that map, it showed me that both legs of the trail were on this side. So where the bathroom area is, I want to make a right. And right there is the other blaze. Alright. That was pretty easy to see. The only thing here is, oh, that tree has a turn indicator. I think I totally missed it because I was checking out the fireplaces. Yep, it does indicate the turn, but I went over that way and around, so I totally did not see that tree. And you know what? It's the silly little things like that. That's how hikers get lost. Is by just little things where you're not paying attention or you're distracted by something cool you see. That's pretty cool. It's really neat how the water is coming through the tree roots like that. It is probably easily in the 50s now. There's almost no clouds in the sky. The sun is out, it is bright. It's a beautiful day for sure. I mean, it's a little unnerving that it's this nice and it's only, I think, February 3rd. And I don't know if this makes sense to anyone, but the woods it doesn't even smell like winter right now. Really concerned we're gonna have a bad summer. Might be dry. Bugs are probably gonna be absolutely terrible because there's been no real winter to control them. I mean, sure, this weather is awesome right now, but I'm just kind of curious what our consequences are going to be later on for it. Giving you guys one last scan of the area. This is the Stokes State Forest in New Jersey. I had a fantastic time. I hope you guys enjoyed tagging along. Just a few little notes before we completely wrap this up. The trail is very well marked. It is really well maintained. I highly recommend this area to anyone that is in the area and looking for a nice place to hike. There's a pretty decent variety of trail options. Like the loop I was on today, could have been almost 18 miles, could have been 11 and a half. I ended up making it about 8. So you definitely have choices here. I like that. But that's going to do it for me. I will see you guys next time.